Good afternoon, students. Welcome to your chapter briefing session of today's chapter, that is chapter number 4, Editing in Text Writer. Before starting with anything, I would like to say that writer means the program name, that is Office Libre Writer. इसका शॉर्ट फॉर्म है writer, which has been mentioned in the chapter. Office Libre Writer is your word processing program. Basically, आपका Office Libre Writer in Edubuntu is a word processing program or software. By using this program, we normally prepare our articles, documents जो हम टाइप करते हैं, like your essay, your reports, all these are being done by using such applications. उन applications को हम word processing applications भी कहते हैं. In your chapter, we are learning about the word processor application, that is Office Libre Writer. So in this chapter, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn about editing. We are going to learn about editing. And what is editing? That is changing the meaning of sentence or word. If we have written something on the board, like I had just written, this is an apple. If I have written this is an apple, this sentence simply means कि this is an apple. This is an apple. ये एक सेब है. But after some time, if I just delete this word apple, and in place of that I write a new word orange. So students, what had happened? Now the complete meaning of this sentence has been changed. This is editing. आपके डिलीट करने से या आपके लाइंस को ऐड करने से, वर्ड्स को ऐड करने से, if the meaning of the word, if the word gets changed, if the meaning of the sentence gets changed, that process is known as editing. So in this chapter, that is in Office Editing in Text Writer, we are going to learn about some basic operations that we can perform on text documents, which are termed as editing, जिससे हम उसको change कर सकते हैं. Okay, so in this chapter, we are going to learn about how we can select the text, how we can insert new text, how we can delete the text, undo and redo buttons, copying and moving the text, checking the spelling and the grammar, and using the thesaurus. These are the topics which we are going to discuss. I am going to elaborate one by one here. The first is selecting the text. Beta, this is very basic step. Okay, आप जो भी वर्क करें, if you have to cut the text, if you have to move the text, okay, आपको कॉपी करना है टेक्स्ट, मूव करना है टेक्स्ट, टेक्स्ट का अपीयरेंस चेंज करना है, कलर चेंज करना है, फॉन्ट चेंज करना है, एनी टास्क और एनी एक्शन टू बी परफॉर्म ऑन द टेक्स्ट, द फर्स्ट स्टेप, उससे पहले सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है? सेलेक्टिंग द टेक्स्ट. This is basic step. Okay, now selecting the text as in the book can be done by mouse as well as the keyboard. आप किसी भी टेक्स्ट को, किसी भी लाइन को कीबोर्ड या माउस के यूज से सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. For using the mouse, what I have to do? I have to keep pressing the left button, left click of the mouse, and word के ऊपर I have to move the mouse. ओके, माउस पॉइंटर को वर्ड के ऊपर मूव करना है, जिस वर्ड को सेलेक्ट करना है. द वर्ड विच आई वांट टू सेलेक्ट, द लाइन विच आई वांट टू सेलेक्ट, आई हैव टू कीप प्रेसिंग द माउस लेफ्ट क्लिक ऑफ द माउस बटन एंड आई विल मूव ऑन दैट वर्ड बाय कीपिंग माय लेफ्ट बटन प्रेस्ड. व्हाट विल हैपन? जिस वर्ड के ऊपर मैंने मूव किया है वो सेलेक्ट हो जाएगा. इट विल गेट हाईलाइटेड ब्लूअर इन द बैकग्राउंड, which means that the word has been selected. Similarly, I have different shortcuts, like if I double click on this word by mouse, double left click. I had shown in the video itself. Double click on this word, it will get selected. Triple click on the line, the complete line will select it. आप इस line पे आके triple click कीजिए, 1 2 3. On third click, the complete line will get selected. Similarly, we can use keyboard, that is your shift button, shift key, press the shift key, and your arrow button, arrow key. If we are selecting towards the left side, press the shift key, keep pressing it, press the right arrow key, the text will be selected towards the right side. If we want to select left side, shift key plus left arrow key, the text will be start selecting towards the left. There are certain shortcuts which will help you to select one word, a complete line, paragraph, even the complete page. The most is your Control plus A. अगर हम अपने कीबोर्ड से CTRL plus A, Control plus A प्रेस करते हैं, what will happen? The complete document, पूरा document, जितने pages, जितने lines आपने लिखे हैं, that all will get selected. This is Control plus A. This is the shortcut to select the complete text by using the keyboard. I hope that the first topic, that is selecting the text by using the mouse or by using the keyboard, is clear to you. And after that comes inserting the text or deleting the text. Inserting or deleting. So wherever I want to insert the text, okay, let's say I have written this is okay, this is a book. Okay, now I want to insert a word story so that it will become this is a story book. So I have to insert story here, the word story. What will I do? The cursor which is at last point right now, with the arrow key or with the help of mouse, I'll bring my cursor here before the location where I want to insert the word. जहां पे मुझे word insert करना है, मैं अपने cursor को वहां लेके आता हूं. After I have brought my cursor here, once I have brought my cursor here, I can type the word which I want to insert. I can type that word, so I will type, and when I'll type this book, the word book will start shifting towards the right. So as I type this is a story book, so as I'll type story, this word will be shifted and the sentence becomes like this is a story book. This is how I have inserted a word. So wherever I want to insert the word, I have to bring the cursor first to that location. Once I have brought the cursor to that location, I can start typing. Automatically the other words or the other lines, other words or other lines will get shifted towards the right side. If I have to delete the word, okay, let's say I have again written this is a story book. I want to delete the word story. What will I do? One, if I'm using the backspace key, both keys, backspace and delete, they both are used to delete the text. So if I'm using the backspace key, I will bring my cursor to the last of the word which I want to delete, that is story. I'll press backspace key again and again, and it will start deleting towards the left side, like this. Each and every time I'll press backspace, it will start deleting towards the left side by using the backspace key. If I'm using the delete key, I have to bring the cursor in the first position of the word जिसे मुझे delete करना है. मैं cursor को उस जगह लेके आऊंगा जहां से मुझे deletion शुरू करना है. जिस word को delete करना है उससे starting में लाए. So now if I'll press the delete key deletes towards the right side. Deletion will be going like this, towards the right side. It won't go to left side. Left side आपका backspace जाता है, right side आपका delete key जाता है. So this is your topic, that is inserting and deleting the text. After this, we have undo and redo button. Any action that you have performed, आप उसे कैंसिल कर सकते हैं by using undo command. Just like I have written Shrejit. I wrote this word. I wrote my name, Shrejit. This is my action, typing. Now, when I click on undo button, which is available on the top, something a sign like this. When I click on undo button, what will happen? My last action, that is typing, it will get cancelled. वापस से वो पूरा वर्ड रब हो जाएगा बिकॉज मैंने लास्ट क्या टाइप किया था, मेरा नाम. जो भी लास्ट एक्शन होगा, वॉट एवर इज माई लास्ट एक्शन, इट विल गेट कैंसल्ड बाय यूजिंग द undo command. Now what will happen if I click on redo? Redo आपके undo वाले एक्शन को वापस से परफॉर्म करता है. जैसे अभी हमने undo किया तो my name which was written here get deleted, it got cancelled. Now if I click on redo, what will happen? That name will be printed again. जो undo एक्शन हुआ था उस undo एक्शन को redo कैंसिल कर देता है. When I had done undo, तो what I had typed वो मेरा लास्ट एक्शन था, it got cancelled, my name got rubbed out. But when I clicked on redo, undo जो rub out हुआ था मेरा नाम है ना, उसे वापस परफॉर्म किया. Redo cancels the undo action. Redo undo एक्शन को कैंसिल करके वापस से परफॉर्म करता है. ओके, आफ्टर दिस वी हैव copying or moving the text. Students, these topics are a little bit easier. We have been doing it in our day-to-day life. So that's why we have been conducting today's extra class. Along with we are sending you the videos so that आप इस chapter को अच्छे से कर सके. In case of any query, any doubt, you can ask me in the next session, which is going to be happen on Monday is going to be holiday. You will be having either an extra class on Tuesday or as per the instructions, I will share it with you. Any doubts you can ask me in the next session. Then we have copying or moving the text. Copy or moving the text, which is also known as cut. If I have to copy or move the text from one place to another, what will I do? Beta, in copy, let's say I have written a name or I have written a word apple. I want to copy this word and I want to copy and print or be located or shown here. What will I do? The first step, as I told you, for making copy or cut, the first step that will you do is selecting the text जिसे आपको copy करना है या move करना है. So to select this word, माउस से आप सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं by keeping press the left button, dragging it over, select हो जाएगा. Else double click on this word, the word will get selected. Or by using the mouse shift button and arrow key आप select कर सकते हैं. You will select the word. We have a copy command on the standard toolbar, or you can right click on this word also. A pop-up menu will appear. दोनों जगह पर you will get the command copy. Copy command is available at both the locations. Copy command is available on both the locations. It's available on the standard toolbar as well as it's available in the pop-up menu, which will appear on the right click. Click on the word copy. The prescribed word is copied. Now go to the new location where you want to copy it. You can select the command paste from that same standard toolbar. जहां पे आपको कॉपी मिला है वहां पे आपको पेस्ट भी मिलेगा. Else same, आप यहां पर भी आके राइट क्लिक कर सकते हैं. राइट क्लिक here, pop-up menu will appear and the same paste command is available in the pop-up menu also. As soon as you will click on paste command, this word will be copied at new location. So as you can see, the word is available at both the places. It's available at the main place also and it's available at the place where you have copied. What you have to do, select the word, select copy from the standard toolbar or from the pop-up menu, which will appear on right clicking on it. Select copy from there, go to the new location, select the paste command from standard toolbar or right click on that word. Pop-up menu will appear. Paste command is there. Click on paste command and the word will be available at the new location. This is copy. In copy, both the location will have the same word. दोनों लोकेशन पे आपने जो वर्ड या जो टेक्स्ट आपने कॉपी किया है वो अवेलेबल रहेगा. कट. कट में क्या होता है? वी आर मूविंग द वर्ड टू द न्यू लोकेशन. That means the word will leave from this place and will arrive at the new location. How we can do that? First, select the word by using your mouse or keyboard. Then, after selecting, cut, paste होता है. वहीं पे आपका कमांड स्टैंडर्ड टूल बार पे कट भी मौजूद होगा. Else, you can again right click here. Pop-up menu will appear. Same pop-up menu consisting of your copy and paste. That will have the command cut also. As soon as you will click on cut, जैसे ही आप कट पे क्लिक करेंगे, कट को सेलेक्ट करेंगे, वर्ड अपनी लोकेशन से गायब हो जाएगा. It will vanish. It will be removed from that location as soon as you will click on cut. Then what you have to do? Go to the new location where you want to move the text. कर्सर लेके जाएं. Right click again. Pop-up menu will appear. Paste option is there. Or paste option is available on the standard toolbar. Click on that paste option. The word which is being deleted from here, removed from here, will arrive at the new location. This is moving the text. Where you have moved the text from one location to another. देखिए अब पुराने लोकेशन पे वो वर्ड नहीं है. It has been removed, deleted from that location, has arrived on the new location. But in copy, दोनों लोकेशंस पे वो अवेलेबल रहेगा. कॉपी में आपका वर्ड मेन लोकेशन पे भी होगा and it will be available at the particular location also. I hope that we are clear with cut and copy part. After this cut and copy part, the last part we have is spelling check or spell check, as well as thesaurus. Spelling check. As a human being, sometimes I also make spelling mistake. जल्दबाजी में टाइप करते हुए या हमें स्पेलिंग नहीं आता है. So what happens if we spell mistake? Like I have written a word happy, but spelling मैंने गलत लिख दिया. HAPPY होना चाहिए, but I have wrote HAPY. So what will happen? A red color wavy line, एक red color का wavy line इस word के नीचे show होगा. That is showing me that sir, this word is incorrect. The spelling of this word is incorrect. The wavy line will be in red color. लाल कलर का wavy line आपके उस word के नीचे show होगा जिसका spelling गलत है. What you can do? You can check it out. You can correct it out also. उसके लिए आपको spelling learn करने का requirement नहीं होगा. What will you do? You will go to that word जिसके नीचे red wavy line आ रहा है जिसका spelling गलत है. You will go to that, right click on this word. As soon as you will right click on it, it will show you a pop-up menu, and at the top of those pop-up menu you will find the correct spelling of that word. You can click on that word, you can select that word, automatically आपका incorrect word correct word से replace हो जाएगा, change हो जाएगा. Spelling check allows you to have the feature of checking your spelling and providing you suggestion with the correct spelling. It has also one option known as ignore. In case if sometimes if I write my name in the document, तो ये एक English word नहीं है. It's not a particular English word. So what will happen? Automatically whenever you will write your name, the word processor program will show a red wavy line. This is not a strong mistake, but this word, the name is not in the dictionary. So it will show the red wavy line. It will show that the spelling is mistake. At those cases, what we can do, we can click on ignore. Automatically, वो उस spelling mistake को ignore कर देगा. Okay? So, if the spelling is available in the dictionary and it's incorrect, it will show you the correct suggestion. If it's a name or something which is not available in the dictionary, but you know that it's correct, you can click on ignore. The red wavy line will be moved up. Similarly, if I have to go for the words which are similar to this meaning, happy, इन हिंदी पर्यायवाची शब्द, सेम शब्द जिनका मीनिंग सेम होता है, या अगर मुझे इस वर्ड का अपोजिट मीनिंग वाला वर्ड चाहिए, दैट इज विलोम शब्द. दैट फीचर इज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल इन थेसेरस. थेसेरस आपको सिनोनिम्स, दैट इज पर्यायवाची शब्द, और एंटोनिम्स, दैट इज योर विलोम शब्द प्रोवाइड करता है किसी भी सेलेक्टेड वर्ड का. Like if you will click on this word, if you will select on this word, right click on it. While right click on it, you will found the synonyms or thesaurus in your pop-up menu. From there, if you will click on thesaurus, thesaurus will show you the synonyms and antonyms of this word. Like पर्यायवाची के रूप में ले सकते हैं glad, glad और happy, same meaning. Similarly, अगर opposite meaning चाहिए happy का तो sad. Both suggestions will be shown by thesaurus. आप किसी भी वर्ड को सेलेक्ट करके राइट पॉपअप मेनू के अंदर से thesaurus सेलेक्ट करें. thesaurus आपको सेलेक्टेड वर्ड का सिनोनिम्स और एंटोनिम्स दोनों शो करेगा. इट विल शो यू द सिनोनिम ऑफ द गिवन वर्ड एज वेल एज द एंटोनिम फॉर द गिवन वर्ड which you have selected. This all helps your making your what we say document without any mistake. स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक चेक हो सकता है, ग्रामर मिस्टेक चेक हो सकता है, इवन व्हेन यू आर टाइपिंग, इफ यू रिक्वायर एनी रिलेटेबल वर्ड, एनी सिनोनिम, वो भी आपको फाइंड हो सकते हैं. आप वर्ड को कॉपी कर सकते हैं. दैट मीन्स यू कैन परफॉर्म अ लॉट ऑफ एडिटिंग वर्क ऑन वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग बाय यूजिंग these all commands. I hope that the chapter is clear to you. After this, we will be sharing up the book reading session of the chapter along with the exercise. For today, thank you. Take care.